Alrighty, so we're almost done. So our final step here is step 6 of enhancing our application with product images. Alrighty, so we currently have those placeholder images. We want to replace those with some nice, pretty images. And one item here, be sure to stop your app since we're adding new images to the assets directory. And we're going to run a database script that has new product information. So go ahead and start up MySQL Workbench. And then let's go ahead and open up that script. And this is in that starter files for e-commerce project release 2.0. It's in the DB scripts directory. Refresh database with 100 products. So this inserts our different categories and also products for those different categories: books, mouse pads, coffee mugs, luggage tags. Let's go ahead and run that script. Just do a refresh over here on the side. And then just do a query on our product table. And there we go. So this is all the new information here. So we have 100 products here. And then also here's the path to the product image. So assets, images, products, / whatever the given product name is. So then swinging back to Visual Studio Code, we need to put these images in assets, images, / products. Right now we simply have placeholder. We want to have some real product images here. So we can get those from the starter files. So there's a directory here called product image assets products. Copy those folders for books, mugs, mouse pads, and luggage tags into our given Angular project. Your directory structure should look like the one I have here on the screen. All right, let's go ahead and start our application. Just swing back into our browser. Just do a reload over here. And oh yeah, this looks great. So notice here we have new images for our books, and they're all unique and they're all different. No more placeholder stuff, okay? But now coffee mugs, mouse pads, and luggage tags, those don't really work yet because we haven't implemented the functionality for those links. We will do that soon in some upcoming videos. But at least we're getting some product data right now. I'm really happy about this. This is starting to shape up nicely. Now by default, Spring Data REST only returns the first page of 20 items. So even though we have 100 products in our database, it's only returning the first 20. Now, we can do a little quick workaround here to modify this to tell Spring Data REST to, hey, return X number of items for us. And we can do that by modifying our product service.ts file. And this is just a quick little short-term thing. We'll get into pagination later. But for right now, let's go ahead and make a quick mod, product service.ts, and we'll simply make a small change here on the base URL. So by default, the size is 20. Here we'll say size equals 100. So we're simply changing the page size to 100 items. And so this automatically refreshes here on the Angular side. And then the pages are refreshed. And if we start to scroll down a bit, then we see, oh, more products. There's some coffee mugs. Looks good. Looks good. And there are some mouse pads. Good. And there are some luggage tags. This is great. So 100 products. So 25 products per category. That's what we have in our database. So this looks really good so far. I like it. And I'll just swing back into VS Code and I'll remove that modification. Right now, I'll go ahead and keep the defaults. We'll actually get into pagination in some of the upcoming videos. And so I wanted to kind of take that out just so we can follow the appropriate approach. But anyway, this looks great. So we kind of went through our whole development process. We integrated our online shop. We have icons, we have logos, we have images, and this looks really, really good. So I'm excited, doing my happy dance. I'd like to say, good job, my friend.